Hello and welcome. Today, we explore a fascinating chapter in plant reproduction, Apomixis and Polyembryony, to natural exceptions to the genetic rulebook. These rare yet remarkable processes reveal how plants can bypass sexual reproduction, maintain desirable traits, and enhance survival. Let's uncover the science behind these exceptions and why they matter more than ever in agriculture and biodiversity. In most flowering plants, seeds are nature's reward for successful fertilization, a fusion of male and female gametes. But nature, as always, has its fascinating exceptions. There enters apomixis, a rare, remarkable process where plants produce seeds without fertilization. It looks like sexual reproduction, but there's no union of gametes. No fusion, no genetic shuffle, just a perfectly formed seed. In some species of Asteraceae and grasses, apomixis offers a clever shortcut, bypassing sex to preserve success. So, what exactly is apomixis? It's a form of asexual reproduction where plants cleverly skip both meiosis and fertilization, yet still manage to produce fully functional seeds. How does it work? Well, there are a few routes. Sometimes, a diploid egg cell forms without undergoing meiosis and it develops directly into an embryo. More commonly, nuclear cells, those surrounding the embryo sac, begin dividing, push into the sac, and grow into embryos themselves. No fusion. No genetic shuffling. Just a seed producing a genetic copy of its parent, a true botanical clone. Now imagine this, opening a single seed and discovering not just one, but several embryos nestled inside. This phenomenon is called polyembryony. It often walks hand in hand with apomixis, particularly in plants like citrus and mango. Here's how it happens. While the zygote, the product of fertilization, starts developing into an embryo, other embryos begin forming from nearby nuclear cells. These asexual embryos grow alongside the sexual one, all sharing the same ovule. It's a biological crowd, and yes, you can try this at home. Split open an orange seed, and you might spot multiple tiny embryos of different shapes and sizes. It's not one seedling waiting to grow, it's a team effort from the start. So, are apomictic embryos genetically identical to the parent? Absolutely. Since there's no fertilization, no meiosis, and no reshuffling of genes, these embryos are true genetic clones of the mother plant. And that leads us to a powerful question: can we harness this natural cloning ability in agriculture? The answer is a resounding yes. Because what nature has done effortlessly, science now hopes to apply intentionally. Let's shift to the field: modern agriculture. Hybrid crops have transformed farming by boosting yield and resilience. But there's a catch: hybrid seeds must be bought fresh every year. Why? Because their progeny segregates, breaking the special combination of traits that made them so valuable. Now imagine a game changer: hybrids that reproduce through apomixis. No segregation. No trait loss. Just genetically stable, high-yield crops that farmers can replant season after season. It's not just a dream, it's an active area of research. Scientists are working to transfer apomictic traits into hybrid lines, aiming to make hybrid farming more affordable, sustainable, and accessible for all. Let's step back and reflect on this fascinating twist in plant reproduction. Apomixis allows plants to produce seeds without fertilization, a remarkable form of asexual reproduction. Sometimes, it's a diploid egg that forms and develops on its own. Other times, nuclear cells take charge and grow into embryos. When a single seed contains multiple embryos, we call it polyembryony. And because there's no genetic mixing, apomictic embryos are true clones, identical to the parent. Now imagine the impact: If we could combine this with hybrid agriculture, we could preserve hybrid vigor across generations without needing to remake hybrid seeds every year. From skipping fertilization to multiplying embryos in a single seed, Apomixis and Polyembryony reveal just how innovative and resourceful nature can be. Sometimes, the best shortcuts are the ones nature invented first.